Alright folks, in this video I'll be analyzing some GoPro and body cam footage. This will be part of my often targeted series, where some people are targeted in public a lot. In this first video, I noticed people flagging me down or staring at me or mumbling at me a lot in public, so I did an experiment. I got so frustrated I ran out and bought a GoPro and just walked down the street with a GoPro on my chest. And sure enough, somebody flagged me down. So I just stood there and gave them the silent treatment until they noticed that I had the GoPro on, and then they just ran off and retreated. So without further ado, here's the footage.
God bless you, man. Okay. Peace. How are you? GoPro? Are you taping me right now? Don't tape me. That's against the law, you know? How can I say? How can I say? Are you okay? Smile, man.
So basically I was minding my own business, and the guy tried to flag me down and be all weird and act like I was the one with a problem. And I wasn't even doing anything. And then when he noticed the GoPro, he realized that he messed up at that point and that I was going to put him on social media and make a joke out of him and all that kind of stuff. Okay, in the next video, same thing. Casually walking down the street doing an experiment. This guy's sitting on a rock, I guess vaping, and then he sees me and he walks up to the sidewalk and just stands there and stares at me. And then as I pass him, he immediately turns back around and goes back to the rock, and he mumbles something. I swear he said something like, "Get out of here." But it's hard to tell what he said in the recording. But here it is. Hey, buddy. And you can see there he's looking right at me. So I don't know if he was staring at a house behind me or something, but it seems like he had some kind of problem with me walking down the public sidewalk minding my own business. And alright, in this third video, I was wearing the Wocha mini body camera. So I went to the bus stop and this crazy guy started yelling and screaming and at the top of his lungs. And then we all got on the bus, and it's almost like the bus driver was suspicious of me. But anyways, after I go to the back of the bus and sit down, another crazy guy gets on the bus and he starts ranting. He's like, Illuminati, Illuminati, Freemason gangbangers, East Star. And then he starts aiming his camera at these two women towards the front of the bus, and they yell at him. And then the bus driver starts yelling at him. So he's not really Oh yeah, but it seems like he's calling me a Freemason gangbanger. And then when I get off the bus, he's like, see, Illuminati, Illuminati, and everybody stares at me. But I guess he wasn't targeting just me, but still, kind of suspicious.
Let me separate my enemies real quick. Oh, I know what time it is. Let me make sure my enemies. Oh no. know it's today. Warfare is every day, boss. This war out here, y'all didn't know that? This war out here, baby. They doing Luciferian work, baby. They got the Freemason gang bangers out here, Eastern Stars, the Masons, the Illuminati. Pay them all. See, this is just my protection. See, they pay the gang stop now. Play plenty money, gang stop. Put your hand down. Okay, put your hand down. Be ashamed of yourself. You old witch. Witches. Sir, hold on. Okay, I'm good. Okay, I'm good.
Be civil to everybody.
Oh, I'm civil, baby.
It's right. I need you to be civil. I need you to enjoy this ride.
I'm enjoying it, baby. But at the same time, it's protection.
I understand you got your freedom of speech, but right now your speech is starting to offend people. And I'm starting to be uncomfortable, so I can't drive. Hey, no recording nobody.
All right, it's off.
That before you record people, you have to ask their permission. It's a crime if you don't and you're caught doing it, right?
See the Illuminati? The Illuminati?
Alright, folks, and there you have it. What do you think? Am I being targeted an unusual amount in public? Or am I being paranoid? Feel free to chime in the comment section. Also, feel free to comment if you feel that you're targeted in public, or if you attract a lot of unwanted attention. Cheers.